Wow, after all that, we are finally ready to import the goals into the IEP. But before we can do that, we need to create the goal specifically for the student. The easiest way to do this is by first logging on to CSWeb. Select IEP from the main menu, select the correct IEP packet, and select the student you will be working on. Interesting enough, I found that I'm actually a student in first grade. Oh well, I guess I need some goals too. On the right side of the screen, click on Access Goal/Progress page and select either Create Goal Only with Progress for Annual Goal Only or select Create Goal/Objective with Progress, which I recommend as best practice. Since I recommend it, it makes sense that I select it. It is important that you remember where you created your goal in STO. Luckily, the way we have structured the bank in C's is in a way that allows you to find it fairly easily. We created it in C's, Language Arts, Copal and WDES with no sub-area. All you have to do now is click Skip to Goals. You can find your goal by looking at Added By category. Check next to the goal you would like to use for your student. Do not click Next yet. With the Goal Bank Management template, we must first select some criteria for our goal. We can do this simply by clicking on the down arrows and by typing in the text in the necessary locations. You can select more than one standard by clicking Control and then click. Now I'm selecting Control if I want more than one. I'm going to select all three so we can see what it looks like later when we insert it. Same thing goes by as measured by. You can select Control, and we have quite a few in here, and these are the same ones found on the actual progress report sheet. Once all the areas are selected, you may now click Next. You are now at the short-term objective stream. Your annual goal is in the middle of the screen. You may need to add commas in the word "and" if more than one standard was selected. Make necessary corrections at this time. I will read you the goal so we can catch anything we missed. By June 2012, when given a 3-digit numeral, Mr. Meir will read, write, and identify the place value of each digit in a 3-digit numeral using numeration models, comma, round 2-digit numbers to the nearest 10, comma, and compare two whole numbers between 0 and 999 using symbols greater than, less than, or equal to, and words greater than, less than, or equal to, with 85% accuracy, 3 out of 4 trials as measured by classroom participation, observation, and homework. After this is created, we can actually go ahead and create our short-term objectives. To add an objective, click next to the area you would want to work on. Since we created 2 originally, we'll work on both of them. By June, we'll say by December 2011, when given 3 Mr. Meir will read, write, and identify the place value of each digit in 3 numeral with 75% accuracy. 1 out of 2 trials is measured by observation. If you want to do another goal, all you have to do is select the checkbox next to it and fill out that information. We'll say by March 2012, when given 3-digit Mr. Meir will round to the nearest with 85% accuracy, 2 out of 3 trials as observation. After you have this information, click Next. Make necessary corrections in the STO box. Then click Next. This would be a good time to add the date of the IEP meeting on top, since we'll say it's next week, so we'll say the 27th, 2011. I would recommend selecting the other information after the form has been inserted into the IEP, because it is still not in there as of yet. Please click Save and Exit, otherwise your goal in STO will not show up later. Repeat this process until all the goals in all the areas needed have been done. Remember to save after each step. We now can pull the goals into the IEP. Remember to click on IEP present level performance continued first. Click on Add Form, not Access Goal Progress Page, but Add Form. Click Insert Goal Progress Page. Click on whichever one you needed. Since we did it in Goal and Objective, we will select that. There's other goals showing up here that I created earlier, but since we did language arts together, we will select only that one. But as you can see, more than one can be selected. Insert either goal or objective only, and we're going to insert. We have finally inserted our goals into the IEP. Like always, let me know if you have any questions.